Hello there, my name is Fabio and I welcome you to today's guided meditation. Thank you for being here. I kindly ask you to find your favorite position. Make sure to have your spine upright. Turn off your notifications and close your eyes. Welcome to day 7. You're about to complete your first full week of meditation. Let's begin by bringing awareness to your body. Starting at the top of your head, notice how different this feels from day 1. You've changed in just 1 week. Let your face soften with a gentle smile of accomplishment. Your jaw releasing and your eyes peaceful. Feel your shoulders, your chest, your whole body. You've shown up for yourself 7 days in a row. Congratulations. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what self-love looks like. Take a moment to think back to day 1. How did meditation feel then compared to now? How did you feel on your first day? Can you remember? How did your first meditation feel like? Now you have a real experience. You've learned to work with your breath, your body, and your thoughts. These are skills you will have for life. Now let's use all your skills together. Find your breath anchor. Feel your body and welcome the present moment. When thoughts arise, you know what to do. Label them with thinking. Return to your anchors. Return to your breath. Notice how natural this feels. You're not forcing anything. you're simply being present. This is meditation. This is mindfulness. This is you taking care of yourself. Next week, your sessions will get longer. 8, 9, 10 minutes and beyond. But you are ready. You've built the foundation. You've proven to yourself that you can meditate consistently. Week 2 will deepen everything you've learned and introduce new elements to your practice. You've just completed your first week of meditation. This is a real achievement. Take 3 deep breaths, feeling proud of your consistency and growth. Week 1 complete. You're officially a meditator now. See you for week 2.